Now I want the user to be able to enter the time of the movie they want to see. Now there is an input element that's type equal to time, but that's not exactly what I want for a movie because I have specified times when the movies start. And so this user can't just pick any time, they have to pick from a list. So I'm going to use another select option again. Again, I'm going to put this in a paragraph and still inside the div and under that date input, I'm going to do another select. I'm going to give it a name, so it'll have a variable, and I'll call it time. I'm going to give it an ID, so I can connect it to the label, and I'm going to give it a label. And the label, I'll set the for attribute equal to time, which is the value of ID. And on the label, write the words select a time. Okay, now in here, I'm going to put some options. And in here, I've got 5 options. So I'm going to copy that and put 5 options. And the first one is 11 o'clock. The second one is 1:30. The next one is 4. Next one is 6:30. And the next one is 9 o'clock. And you could fill these programmatically. Once they selected the movie, you could display different times for each movie. And that's something you could do with JavaScript. We're not going to do any JavaScript today, so we'll just hard code those times in it. And then you refresh, and here you get another drop down with the values that are selected there. Now let's go ahead and select a date and a time and a movie and submit, and see how we're getting on our submit. Okay, so we have a movie variable with Spider-Man as the value. We have a date, and there it is. The value of the date that was selected by the user is there, and the time, the value of the time is there. So everything's happening just the way we expect.